Hello everyone, my name is Sri Raghav Sridharan or Raghav for short. I work for ANSYS as an application engineer based out of Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, where the headquarters are located.
Hi, my name is Julia Stamatakis, and I am a sales rep for ANSYS.
ANSYS is a software company that is focused on developing multi-physics engineering simulation software. So this software is used primarily by engineers across different industries to study how their products are going to behave, improve their product design and performance, and even test their product before they decide to manufacture it in real life. For example, a mobile phone manufacturer may be interested to develop lighter phones by using new materials or look at better battery management of the phone so that you get longer battery life, or look at how they can reduce heating issues in the phone, or even study what is going to happen if I were to drop the phone from a certain height. So for all these type of scenarios that I mentioned, engineers can use ANSYS simulation tools to recreate this in a software environment, even and understand exactly how the phone is going to behave even before they start manufacturing it. And this way, ANSYS simulation tools can be used to improve and optimize a certain product's performance.
ANSYS is a simulation software company. So our customers use our software tools to allow them to design and test their products without actually having to build them in real life. This saves our customers a lot of time and a lot of money. It also drives innovation because if an engineer has a great idea that they want to try out on something that might typically be too expensive to try out or too late in the design process, you can actually test this out on a computer now and understand how your product is going to work with real world physics before you even actually have to build it. So this allows our customers to create stronger products, faster products, and ultimately better products.
Well, an average day at ANSYS involves me collaborating with my other colleagues in the sales team, like Julia, who you will also hear from in the video. And we work together and interact with different people across different companies and understand what type of products that they're developing. My role mainly involves interacting with other engineers in the company. So I try to understand what type of products they're working on, what are the technical issues that they're facing with these current products, or are there any unnecessary costs involved in making these products, and show them how ANSYS can be used to address these issues and how simulation can be used to actually recreate these kind of issues and try to address them before they encounter this in the real life.
So, what's a typical day in the life of an ANSYS sales rep? You are constantly helping your customers solve their problems. So, if you're not on the phone with your customers or in a virtual meeting with your customers, then you actually get to go travel and meet your customers face to face. You get to tour their facilities, you get to better understand their processes and some of the problems they might be having, and you get to help them solve their problems. So, one day, my customer might be designing a rear view mirror that you might see in your car. The next day, I might be helping another customer that's designing a football helmet for the NFL. You're constantly getting to see what the newest technology there is out there. You constantly get to learn about how all of these different products are made. And most importantly, you get to help your customers solve their problems.
Role? Well, this is an engineering role, so I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in mechanical engineering. And during my study, I also took courses in understanding material behavior, physics, and even had the chance to use ANSYS simulation tools for some of my coursework to understand how they work. In addition to that, we need to have good communication skills, patience, and a personable nature because my role involves talking to a lot of people and a lot of engineers from across multiple industries.
You definitely want to be a people person. If you're someone that enjoys talking to people throughout the entire day, if you enjoy striking up conversations with random strangers, sales is a great career path for you. More importantly, you also want to be organized. You have a lot of different customers and a lot of different meetings throughout the day, so you need to make sure that you're on top of your own schedule. But most importantly, you want to be reliable to your customers. You want to be trusted by your customers. So if you like building relationships, if you like meeting people, if you like learning about how things are made, but not necessarily want to be the engineer making the product, the sales route is a great way to get involved without having to be that engineer.